Now it smells amazing, but they are just perfect for any meals. You can freeze some because we have a big quantity here. Put some in the freezer, get them out when you're ready. And now eat this with a salad, with some steamed vegetable. I like to do the zoodle, the zucchini noodle, and serve it on top, but we can make it also in a spaghetti. I use the spaghetti squash with some tomato sauce, make a nice spaghetti that way. Anyway, it's good to eat the meatballs with some, we just can eat them like this with some like tzatziki or some nice dip. So it's just perfect. Today I'm gonna put them on my pizza. Let's have a look at our meatballs. I'm just gonna cut it in the middle here and show you. Yes, they are perfect. They're holding really well. Let's taste it.